So, hi everyone, this is teacher Hazetee, and tonight I'm going to teach you how to access references in the DepEd Commons. So, you'll just have to key in commons.deped.gov.ph, and that will lead you to a site that looks like this. So, you'll just have to enter your school to continue. So there you go, and save it. So you have to select a grade level. Just be patient because the site looks different from how you see it using a desktop. So as you can see, the drop down menu is located near the bottom of the screen, so just to scroll that down a bit and you'll see now the grade levels and the number of resources available as of the moment. So let's just be patient because references are still being reviewed and approved by the people behind this site. Thank you so much to our DepEd personnel who's in charge of maintaining this site. So right now I'm just gonna head you to core subjects in senior high school. We just have 3 subjects right now, but I'm just going to share with you the ones that I have here. The presentations I use for reading and writing skills. So here are the presentations I've been talking about. These are lessons in academic writing and professional writing, plus the properties of a well-written text and assertions in determining textual evidence. So we have also about critical reading and critical thinking, hypertext and intertext. So there you have it. I hope you can also get to check the ones for the other grade levels. So let's check out. In elementary, so we have for grade 4, let's have English. So we have here a game, puzzle, a presentation, assessment. So there are a variety of resources that you can check out. So I hope you do and you get to maximize the time that we have at home since classes are still suspended. And more than that, I hope that everyone's safe right now at their homes. And yeah, so happy learning.